Hello students, welcome to the second video of sample questions. So once again I would like to tell you about the sample questions, how it will be, and I hope you are studying well. So if you are an Indian and we are Indian, we supposed to know little bit about Indians and about the place where we live, the locations and size, what is the location where we live and the size. So first question can be this, already I have explained the extent, latitudinal extent and the longitudinal extent. Later on we will discuss about this. The Tropic of Cancer. One question is, Tropic of Cancer divides India almost into equal halves, almost, not 100%, but almost. Tropic of Cancer, this is the earth equator, upon is Tropic of Cancer. So this Tropic of Cancer, so remember which latitude divides India into almost equal halves. So Tropic of Cancer. And what is the degree of Tropic of Cancer? It will be 23 degree and 30 minutes north. This also can be there in the exam, this kind of question. What is the degree of Tropic of Cancer? Okay, so another question again you can see here, Indira Point. There is one question, Indira Point. Indira Point is the southernmost point of the Indian Union. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point. It is not there. In 2004, due to tsunami, it went under the water, submerged into the water. Okay, so again you can see the question here. Again there are some facts given here. The boundary here 15,200 kilometer, then again 7,516 kilometer boundary area from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. It is there, east to west. West to east is Arunachal Pradesh. So we have to know this. Lot of sound of rain is coming. So again 4 questions, 2-3 questions I would like to explain here little bit. So this is, here you see the question is here, latitude 8 degree 4 minute latitude to 37 degree 6 minute latitude, from here to here. This is called latitudinal extent. So question can be, what is the latitudinal extent of India? Okay, another one is longitudinal extent of India. Longitudinal extent of India, so that is 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minutes. So these are the few questions. Again, what is the distance, what is the length north to south? What is the length north to south? That is here given. And this side is given, north to south 3,214 kilometers. Again, west to east, the length of the country is 2,933 kilometers. So what is the length of India from west to east? So these are few questions you can revise, and some other questions also that you can revise. Okay, thank you very much. अरे भैया